C-17 aircrews, deployed to Operation Enduring Freedom, fly every day, getting equipment and personnel to the front lines in a steady and often routine flow. But once in a while, a mission comes along that can only be described as unique.
Today it was a pretty unique mission. We were able to move one of the largest vehicles in the inventory, the M1 Abrams tank. Pretty important. We're getting armor, getting vehicles downrange. We were able to deliver it to help out with the fight in Afghanistan.
C-17s are designed and built specifically to haul large, heavy vehicles like the Abrams. Still, airlifting a 62-ton tank requires much preparation to be safe and successful.
Tying down the tank is no easy task. It took us about 34 chains overall to tie it down. Jet definitely does shake a little bit and rocks you and scares you a little bit, but it's really a really safe loading operation, and it went really smoothly today.
No matter what they are carrying, the C-17 aircrew's first duty is always to the warfighter, getting the troops on the ground what they need, on time and on target.
Yeah, it's awesome being able to be a part of this and getting needed supplies downrange. They're saving lives downrange. Their IEDs are the biggest threat down there, and these armored vehicles provide the means to protect our soldiers down there.
For U.S. AFCENT, I'm Tech Sergeant Mike Smith.